Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean up your iPhone apps. There are a few different ways you can do this, depending on what you want to achieve, whether it's freeing up storage or just organizing your home screen. Let's dive into the details. If you want to manage your apps and how much storage they're using, you can do this directly from the Settings app. Open Settings, tap General, and then select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll get a detailed view of all the apps on your phone and how much space they're taking up, including the files associated with them. If you come across an app that you no longer need, simply tap on it and choose Delete App to completely uninstall it. But what if you want to keep the app's data without the app itself taking up space? That's where the Offload app option comes in handy. Offloading an app removes the app from your device but keeps its data stored. This way, if you ever decide to reinstall the app, all your information will still be there, ready to go. Now, if it's more about organizing your home screen, that's easy too. Go back to the home screen and press and hold any app. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Edit Home Screen. You'll notice little minus signs appear on the apps, and you can tap these to remove the apps from your home screen, or delete them entirely if you prefer. Lastly, if you want to tidy things up further, you can reorganize your apps. Create folders for similar apps by dragging one app onto another, or simply rearrange them in any order that works for you. This can make finding what you need a lot easier and keep things looking neat. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you clean up your iPhone apps quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you later.